We still have dirty stuff inside character controls. Fixed update. If I go down, we have two things going on here: slowing down the wall slide and canceling the jump after you let go of the jump key. Jump cancel after letting go. We have two variables that are important: the max fall velocity for the wall jump and cancel pull. I'm going to put both of them inside a subcomponent. Create empty game object. I'll call it velocity, well, vertical velocity. Apply it to the original prefab. I'm also going to go into the subcomponents folder, create a vertical velocity script. I'm going to add it to the game object, vertical velocity. Make sure that's applied to. Go in there. Namespace. And this class is going to inherit from the subcomponent class. We'll have on FixedUpdate as well as on update. It's also going to have a class that holds data. I'm going to go into the data folder, create vertical velocity data. Just a simple class. It's not a mono behavior. And the subcomponent will have an instance of it, vertical velocity data. Let's instantiate that in the beginning. New vertical velocity data. The subcomponent processor will have the reference vertical velocity data. So back in the subcomponent in the beginning, vertical velocity data is vertical velocity data. Let's also add this to the dictionary. Don't have the enum, so create the enum vertical velocity. Add it to the dictionary. And the data, these two, vector and bool. Vector 3, max wall slide velocity. Bool, we're canceling, well, the jump cancel, so no jump cancel. I'm going to instantiate it here. Now that we have the data, we don't need these anymore. I'm going to delete it. Max fall velocity. Cancel pull. Then we got to fix the errors. Now, I don't want this inside fixed update in the character control. I'm going to cut it. Cut it all. Put it inside vertical velocity. Here. I forgot to make the data serializable. So let me do that real quick. Serializable. Now I'm going to fix the errors. I'm just going to delete this. We get the data directly, the bool, and then we look at character control, rigid body, the jump bool, going to do the same thing here. Just get rid of it. Go to the vertical velocity data. Get the maximum wall slide velocity. So we're doing the exact same thing that used to be inside character control. Let me check the other errors. First, let me go into character state. Add the shortcut, just like the others. Vertical velocity data. And back in the error. Vertical velocity data. No jump cancel. Just copy the value. And the others. Okay, we don't need the enum. We're not using them anymore. Vertical velocity data. We get the maximum wall slide velocity. Again, we're just copying the value. Here it is. Let's see if we have any more. Okay, here we're just setting the maximum velocity back to 0. Okay, so if I look at the character control again, the fixed update looks much better. And this is where we actually update the subcomponent, vertical velocity. I'm gonna go back and play. So here's the processor and the data. I'm gonna play. So I'm going to let go in the middle of the jump. Okay, this is a short jump, long jump. And the forward roll doesn't have the cancel option. And it looks like it's working just like before. I'm also going to test the wall slide. Okay, that's working. Okay, I'll do more in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.